Okay, guys, welcome back. And this is the last part of this course. Actually, this course was actually a bit small, but I hope you all enjoyed. So, let's wrap up. So, now it's still a local host. If you want to move this to live, then actually, there is a problem with Infinity Free that it doesn't let you move, means that it gives error when you move your site from localhost to live website by using a plugin or anything. So you what you need to do is just go to mastersite.cf, mastersite.ca for your own website. So right now it will show this because uh, I think I install all the plugins. It's really bad. I don't know why it's showing like that. Okay, I'll edit it later. So you have to go on your website and then go to the dashboard. Actually, there will be a downside in a free what we say in a free hosting. There will be some downside, so you need to accept that. Okay, so and if you're using it for business, then don't use a free hosting. You have to use a paid hosting. Now I'm going to tell you some paid hosting companies which are really good. The for as per me, for first number is hostinger.in. See, let's compare it with other things. Hostinger.in, see, it's secured and means it will not hack you and all. So its plans start from 59 per month. See, only 59. And premium web hosting and business web hosting, they give you with WordPress hosting, cloud hosting, shared web hosting, VPS hosting, Minecraft hosting. They don't give you a dedicated server, but and not a reseller hosting too. But if you're a beginner, you can choose these one of these three. So I would prefer first you choose this. Then the next year, if you gain profit, then you can choose this one and then upgrade to this. Okay. So see, in this plan, you will get one website, one email, 100 monthly visitors, 100,000. Free SSL certificate. Wow. For lifetime. Free domain you will not get. One XLR TED resources, and if you want to see more features, just click on all features. So we have seen till this free domain. Then it will give you Lightspeed cache, WordPress acceleration, Cloudflare protected name servers, GitHub integration, 24/7 365 support, and 99.9% uptime guarantee, DNS management, access manager, two MySQL databases, two subdomains, one FTP account, two cron jobs, and but it will not give you SSH access and daily backups also not. In the premium web hosting you will get weekly backups, and in the business one you will get daily backups. Okay, so I prefer choosing this fan if you're a beginner. So next one on the list is Bluehost. Bluehost is a really good hosting provider. uh, it's a bit costly, but you this is the reliable what we say reliable hosting provider. So when I click on get started, the first plan is of 200 per month, 299, 300 almost, then 350 per month. So in this one you will get one website, free SSL, 50 GB SSD storage, SSD, wow, 5 park domains, 25 subdomains, and free domain for 1 year, and automatic daily malware scan. Wow, that's amazing. And the next one, unlimited website, free SSL, unmetered SSD storage, unlimited park domain, unlimited subdomains, free domain for 1 year, automatic daily malware scan, and Microsoft Office email 30 days trial. And over here, the same all, and extra you will get domain privacy, which is a bit cost. So I prefer for beginners choosing the basic one. And the last one, I've chosen top threes. And the third one is HostGator. HostGator, not Hostinger. HostGator.in. HostGator is really good. They are also a bit costly, not much, but it's a good solution for beginners. Let's go down and click on get started and see the plans start from 99. See, 5 years at 19. Okay, the start plans start from 159, then 319, then 399, and 559. So in the first one you will get single domain, means not a free domain. You will get a single website. So 10 GB disk space, 100 GB transfer, 5 email accounts, unlimited databases, free Let's Encrypt SSL, free .NET domain for 1 year. Oh, that's a good one. And you can in the one you will get unmetered disk space, unmetered transferred, unlimited email, everything unlimited. That's why. So the first is Hostinger, second Bluehost, and third HostGator. Okay, that's it for this. And I told you how you okay. What you could do is you can install the Astra theme on your Infinity Free, means your host, and then import this site and then make changes as you want. Okay, that's it for this video, guys, and we'll meet in the next video. And okay, I need to announce one more thing, that from the next video we're going to start a new course. That name is Building a Pro Website using just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Thanks for watching, guys, and be tuned for the next course, and keep watching. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe our channel so that you never miss an important update. Bye, guys.